In this video, I'll show you guys how you can run Chrome extensions on your Android phone. Since the default browser that comes with your phone does not support Chrome extensions, what you'll need to do is install an app. It's called the Kiwi Browser and it's available on the Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and then go into menu, extensions, and you'll need to enable developer mode. And now you can install Chrome extensions. So we're going to go in menu and then look for open Kiwi Web Store, which will actually open the Google Chrome Web Store. So let's try to install this extension called Momentum. And once I select the extension, I have to click on Add to Chrome like we do on browser. And then it asks me if I want to add it or not, and I'm going to click on OK. And now it will get downloaded and installed on the Kiwi browser. And there we go. So I'm going to enter my name. Let's say mods. And click next. Stay logged out. So the extension works just fine as it would on a browser. You can access all your extensions by clicking on menu and then scrolling down where you can see the list of extensions installed. So right now I have the Google Calendar extension and Momentum extension installed through the browser. And if I want to manage, if I want to, let's say, load new extensions, or if I want to remove an extension, I can do that as well. So just click on remove and the extension will get uninstalled from the browser. Here's a preview of the Google Translate extension on the browser. So if I want to translate to a different language, let's say Basque, I can do that and it works just fine. Being able to install extensions can be useful for someone who browses a lot and had been using extensions to increase their productivity. If you run into any kind of issues installing extensions using Kiwi Browser, do let me know through comments. I hope you're able to install the extension successfully. Goodbye.